the rails. If you want to get up close, you can. If you want to stay back here, that's cool too. Right up against the rail. Come on in, folks. Don't stop at the door. There you go. Perfect.
Take us a moment. Let me see this TV. We're in a movie.
Come on in, folks.
Look. That turbines is hidden. You can't see them, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
Don't
turbines.
stop at the door. That's a natural tendency. There you go. We got everyone in. On behalf of Bureau Reclamation, welcome to the Nevada side of the power plant. Now this is the point of tour where I get to test your knowledge. Based on the information I've given you, what direction does Lake Mead? Very good. You're on point. To my right is the direction of Lake Mead. The only thing standing between us and Lake Mead is the Hoover Dam. Right behind that wall. Hoover Dam stands 726.4 feet tall. And the top, 45 feet thick. Bottom, 660 feet thick, front to rear. Now I am a visual guy. I'm going to show that to you. Wall to my right, all the way down to the end of the bay. The length of the Nevada power plant, 650 feet. At 10 feet to that, you've got the thickness at the base of the dam. Pretty impressive. That's 199 feet below us. Downriver, 8 commercial grade generators. 9 on the Arizona side, total of 17. They stand 70 feet tall. You only see the top 30 feet of it. Shaft on Nevada 1, you see it spinning in the middle there. 38 inches thick, 65 feet long. It extends below the deck, almost 40 feet, connects to that Francis reactor turbine that spins the whole operation. It rotates at 180 revolutions per minute, generates up to 130 megawatts of electricity, enough to power about 65,000 homes. When you pull them all together, 2,080 megawatts and enough to power roughly 1.3 million homes. The lights on top of the generators. If they are on, that means that generator's in operation. Now I'd like to direct your attention to the plus covered item on a power plant floor, surrounded by a fence. That is Pelton water wheel, second type of generator we have on site. We have one here in Nevada, one in Arizona. It's horizontally mounted, rotates at 300 revolutions per minute, generates 2.4 megawatts of electricity. Why is it so important? Well, they power everything that we use here on site. Station power is what we affectionately call it. So the bridge cranes, lights, elevators, cafe, even my microphone, all powered by the Pelton water wheels. Now up top and down the bay, we got our 2 green P&H bridge cranes. They span across the bay, but they have the ability to travel the full length of the bay on a rail system you see above us on the top right and top left. They do our heavy lifting for us. Just one of them can lift 300 tons. So let's put that in perspective for you. One of our bridge cranes can lift the Statue of Liberty. The one in New York Harbor, folks, not these, okay? The real Lady Liberty weighs 225 tons. Now that should be impressive, but it's not good enough for the work here. That rotor right there, by the way, only 10% of our guests get to see that. That came out of Nevada 3, and when that's fully assembled, weighs about 580 tons. So it takes both bridge cranes working as a super crane to do that heavy lifting. Now lastly, the terrazzo marble flooring you're standing on, it is Art Deco in style, and it's consistent with all the artwork here at the Hoover Dam. It was installed by the Martina family and completed in 1937. It covers 121,000 square feet in the power plant area, and it came in at a cost of less than $60,000. That's an amazing price. Couple of decorative inlays. You got a circular one behind all of you there, and one to my right. Those were all designed by Alan Tupper True. He introduced Southwest Native American pottery art and infused that into the Art Deco. Circular one, symbolic of the water spinning the turbine. The one to my right has an outlet, symbolic of the power generated by the plant. So ladies and gentlemen, I've got a few of you, about 30, right? I got 30 of you with a red, white, and blue wristband. Raise your hands for me. I got Matt over there waving vigorously. Go show him your wristband. And power plant folks, stay put. When we get accountability of them, I'm going to lead you out and get you out of here. please be more respectful to the next group than they were to us. Yeah, I want to make sure the group stays together. I know it's tempting to take your photos right now. When we get accountability to them, I'll lead you out. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day at the Hoover Dam.
So if I ever come back, definitely have to do the dam and the power plant tour. This was very short. I'm going to show you the artwork in the floor and then head out. Maybe go climb that Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Probably not. This is pretty massive and amazing. I'm very glad I did it. I've only seen these, what do you say, on TV.